Good morning, Odysseyers. Mike Martins here with the Mike Martins channel. Today we're going to look at, I call it the Highwayman Bug Out Bag, or the Walking Man, Highwayman, on a destination bug out bag. This bug out bag is designed for people that have a destination in mind, know where they're headed, and quietly want to move around without causing or showing any suspicion. So here, this is what it looks like. I call this the Highway. So this is my ChromaCast bag for a guitar. You could buy the bag alone on Amazon. I think it's $35-40. It's pretty deep, so it does fit quite a few things, and it has a lot of pockets, inside of pockets, and a lot of front pockets for maps and stuff you may need, magnifying glasses, whatnot. And a front thing here for dry food, whatever you may need. Okay, so what do I have in this? And I've already fitted all this in there and moved it around and removed a few things, added a few things. What is more mandatory than others, or what is mandatory? You go ahead in the comments and let me know what's more mandatory. So let's start from the left. So when it's out of the package, I even fit this in there with the packaging. So there's lots of room in that bag. So salt and pepper shaker is definite, especially if you're going to be stopping at truck stops for food, or you're going to be picking up some roadkill or whatnot. You're always going to need that, okay? A small sewing kit comes in handy, not just for sewing things, but for patching things up. You never know. And a fire starter. Fire starter is important because it's simple, easy to use, and that's mainly for campfires or off the side of the highway. These could go in your back pocket. They don't need to go in your bag, but these have knuckle protectors on them. I really recommend these. They're breathable. They're semi-breathable. They're not too breathable. They're hard-working gloves. Couple of candles, just in case you need to warm up an area or give yourself some light. Toothbrush, matches, red strike matches that could strike anywhere, and lighters. And then I got this, a pack-away jacket. A pack-away jacket that goes over. This is a higher quality one, so I paid a little bit more for this one. It's an XL. It fits over anything you're wearing. It fits over any jackets you're wearing. And then I got the pants to go with it too, pack-away over pants. So it fits over any pants, jeans, or anything. So if you're walking in the rain or the mud, or you're walking through precarious areas, you could always put this on to keep your clothing dry. Also, I got a headlight here, a very heavy, I think it's 70 or 700. It's very powerful, this light. It's a new one. It's 700. 700 candle or whatever it is. And I got this one. I won't take this with me, but I won't even bother putting it in there, but I have it just in case. Any of these would work fine, just, in the night. Radio. It does fit in the bag with everything else, but I do recommend you pick up maybe something more like this. But this is really good because I have the antenna with it, and I could pick up something more international with this. 2 bottles of water is, especially if you have a go-along lightweight sport jug with you, and this is the plastic. It's made of the good plastic. It's BPA free, so it's actually, I paid a fair chunk of change for this, but it's worth it because you can put lemon in your water, you can flavor it, you don't have to worry. But this is optional to carry. It does fit in the bag though, but optional. I got a bit of oatmeal here just in case. You could also take some Cliff Bars if you want. A seeing eye, I like to telescope or whatever you want to call. 1 bar of soap in case you're at a truck stop. Clorox Wipes, the small package that fits pretty much anywhere. I got a pocket knife here. It could go on your belt, or you could just tuck it away inside your guitar case. But this is a pocket knife, and this pocket knife could serve many purposes. It does have a mini compass, but I won't trust that compass. A pair of basic scissors, rope, about dollar store rope, compass. And this compass is actually not bad. I read reviews on it. It's only $6. Aqua Tablets and purification tablets. So if you're getting water out of a tap on the side of a building somewhere and you're not sure, you could always purify the water. And a tent tube. Tube tents, they come with rope and everything. Not too hard to assemble. come with the rope and everything you need. You could use it as a tarp. You could use it. It's flame retardant, and it's got other things, and tie straps. You could also add like toothpaste. You could add like baking soda. You could add like, to brush your teeth with if you don't like to use toothpaste. There's a lot of things you could add to this, but the basics are here, right? So you got your candles, you got your flashlights, which are important, you got your overclothing, because you can't be washing clothes all the time. So if your clothes keeps getting dirty, you want to get this dirty, because you could wash this and hang this immediately. You got a radio to hear what's going on. You don't need a big international radio like this. You could have something like this. You don't need the water, but I have the water just in case. I do have one candle here that's in this that I could set up and sleep with in case I'm in an area where it's kind of like, you're sleeping in some sort of storage room or something and you don't want to, burn the place down. You could use that. Those are more for, you could find uses for that for sure. But everything else here, it all fits in here. I put the knife in here. Okay, I put the flashlight in here with the knife. I put other things in here, like the radio fits perfectly in here. You could fit a lot more things in here. This does not fit in there, but it's not for that. It's to take along with you, kind of hold it, because you are a highwayman and you are walking the streets, or you are walking to your destination. This is a basic destination 2 kit. I call it the Highwayman Bug Out kit, because it has everything you need in it. Make sure you get your purification tablets as a must. Compass. I mean, your highways and your streets. A good highwayman doesn't need a compass, because obviously the highways tell you which way you're going. What else? But it's good to have in case you have to jump into some woods and maybe take off for a bit, or bug out low. Like a low bug out for a day or two and get yourself back on track. So this is my Highwayman. I'm calling it that, the Highwayman Bug Out Bag. It fits in a thing. It looks like you're carrying a guitar around. It doesn't look so suspicious, especially, if you're dressed decent and you're walking with it, and, oh, look at that guy, he's an artist, oh, look at him, good for him, type of thing. You don't kind of throw too many bad vibes out there carrying a guitar bag. That's it right there. So that's it right there. So what I want to do, guys, I'm going to do an in the bush bug out with a medium-sized bag to actually, if you need to go out into the bush. So this is a basic, very basic starter kit. You could pick up most of the stuff at the dollar store, or your local hardware store will sell a little bit more of the intricate, more expensive stuff. The knife is cheap. It's made in China, but it's not Syrian or Valerian steel. It's cheap, but it still cuts, and that's what's important. And obviously, this is a must in case these get wet or you lose those. So let me know what you guys think. Very basic. You could add a mirror to it for signaling. I don't have a mirror here, but you could have a mirror to signal. If you want to signal planes or people walking, whatever. Or signaling a friend if you guys are undercover somewhere. Whatever. But yeah, a mirror is definitely something you're going to want to have to add on this. So go ahead and let me know if there's anything else I should add to this. Please. Leave a comment below. Let me know. Okay, guys? That's it. Very basic Highwayman bag. Inconspicuous. This bag fits a lot of stuff. And again, it doesn't bring any heat. It's got straps on it, so you don't have to worry about... you could free up your hand for that. You could wear your gloves. And you got pretty much what you need here just to get by, basically. Let me know. Comment below. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this video. I have spoken.